Here's a step-by-step guide on how to upload your project or design on Behance. Go to behance.net and log in using your Adobe ID or other login credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Share Your Work button. From the drop-down, select Project to upload a new design or project to your portfolio. This will redirect you to the Behance Project Editor. In the Project Editor, you can add different types of content such as images, your design mockups, photos, text, description or project details, photo grid if you want to display multiple images, video or audio embed, 3D models, Lightroom presets, NFTs, prototypes. Click Upload Files to add your content from your device or drag and drop your files into the editor. Once you've uploaded the content, you can organize the layout by dragging the elements and adding descriptions, captions, or project notes. After uploading your content, you will have the option to title your project, add tags and categories to make your project searchable, select the creative fields your project falls under, add co-owners if you collaborated with others. Once you're satisfied with the layout and details, click the Publish button to share your project with the Behance community. After publishing, you can share the project link on social media or with your audience.